Let your faith be bigger than your fear, because giving up is not an option. With the month of October coming to an end, tonight we bring you the success story of Teresia Tokona, a breast cancer survivor who has gone through a painful and challenging journey but came out victorious. Kelly Vadala with this story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
Teresia Tokona was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer in April following the death of her sister. Like many, she knew it was going to be a battle, especially when it came to chemotherapy.
Because I don't want to go through what my younger sister had gone through. She passed away in 2017, and that motivated me to just go to the hospital and let the doctors do their work. Every cycle before I go for chemotherapy, I have to go for blood test. On my third chemotherapy, I went for blood test, and when I came on the second day, on Tuesday, the nurses at oncology told me, we cannot do chemotherapy on you. They said, your corpuscles is very weak. They are very weak. Oh, what shall I do? We cannot do anything. We don't do nothing. We'll have to send you back home. Okay. And they gave me another date for my third chemotherapy.
The 61-year-old says when it came to one of her chemo appointments, she felt out of place as negativity started to set in.
Some family friend came, and I was overhearing something that I really don't like. That is the thing that we need to tell all the people that is going through chemo to be very happy. She or he has to be with people that are positive in everything they say. You need not hear anything that will hurt your feelings.
Tokona says she had sleepless nights as worry clouded her mind ever since she was diagnosed with cancer. A few weeks later, she was assured that her operation would be successful.
The doctors from New Zealand was there when I came from my clinic, and they told me, and they said to me, don't worry, we'll take care of you. That is what I was really happy for, because doctors nowadays, they don't say those kind of things to us. They don't encourage us, and that is what the doctors had told me. Be happy, don't worry, we'll take care of you.
Now given a second chance at life, this cancer survivor is spending the most of it with family.
The couples, when they know that the ladies are having breast cancer, they tend to leave them. That is not the right thing to do, and I asked them if they could be by their side all the time. That is when the right time for you to be helpful, and he is there for you. He should be there for you.
Teresia Tokona, like many diagnosed with cancer, never knew the signs and symptoms of the disease and opted for traditional medicine first. Today, she is an advocate of breast cancer, letting both women and men know that medical attention is vital. She lives to remind people that they're stronger than cancer. Kelly Vadala, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.